Okay, well, here is a detailed guide to build a spacious tiny home on wheels. The first aspect is about design and planning, and the first point of it is determine your needs. We have to identify your lifestyle habits and prioritize to create a functional layout. And then for the next thing is measure and plan. We have to measure your trailer and create a precise floor plan to maximize space. Then for the next thing is about consider custom design. We have to work with professional designer or builder to create a tailored layout. And then for the second aspect of it is about space saving strategies. The first point is optimize vertical space. We have to use loft, tall ceiling, and wall-mounted storage to maximize vertical space of it. Then for the next thing is multifunctional furniture. We have to choose furniture that serve multiple purposes, such as a sofa bed or storage ottoman. Then for the next thing, or the third point, is about built-in storage. We have to incorporate built-in storage solution like underbed drawers and hidden compartments. Then for the next thing is sliding doors or partition. We have to use sliding elements to separate areas without sacrificing space. Then for the third aspect of it is about layout and flow. And the first point is about the open floor plan. We have to create an open layout to make the space feel larger. Then for the second point is zone creation. We have to define different areas such as a kitchen, living area, and bedroom. We can use furniture and lighting. Then for the third point is about traffic flow. We can ensure a clear path through the home to prevent cluttering. And then for the fourth aspect is about storage solution. And the first point of it is about the built-in shelves and cabinets. We can maximize storage with custom-built shelf and cabinets. And then for the second point is underbed storage. We can use underbed drawers to our storage bins to store items. Then for the third point is overhead storage. We can install overhead storage racks for infrequently used items. Then for the fourth point is hidden storage. We can incorporate hidden compartments or secret storage areas. And then for the fifth aspect is about appliance and fixture. And then for the first point of it is about the compact appliance. We can choose space efficient appliance such as a compact refrigerator or two-burner stove top. And for the second point is tankless water heater. We can consider a tankless water heater to save the space. And then for the third things is about composting toilet, and we can explore composting toilet option for reduced water usage and saving space. Then for the sixth aspect is about lighting and color. Then for the first point of it is about natural light. We can incorporate skylights, large window, or solar tubes to bring in natural light. Then for the second point of it is about light colors. Then we can use light color on wall ceilings and floor to create a sense of spaciousness. Then for the third point of it is about layering lighting. We can use layered lighting including overhead table and floor lamps to create ambience. Then for the seventh aspect is outdoor space, and for the first point is about the deck and patios. We can add outdoor space to expand your living area. Then for the second point it's about the rooftop area. It's just for optional. It's just for optional about the rooftop area. We can consider adding a rooftop deck or area for additional space. Then for the third point of it is about outdoor furniture. We can choose specific outdoor furniture such as a foldable chair or tables. And then for the eighth aspect is about final tips, and the first point of it is about measure twice, build once, double check measurement to ensure accuracy. Then for the second point is about flexibility. We can be prepared to adapt your design as needed during construction. Then for the third point of it is about the research local regulation. We can ensure your tiny home complies with local building codes and regulation. And of course, by following these tips, you can create a spacious and functional tiny home on wheels that meets your needs and your lifestyle.